Yeah, at Subway they call this the protein pouch or the protein pocket. It's a um, trio of Italian meats, they call it as well. It's ham, 4 slices of ham, 4 slices of salami, 4 slices of pepperoni, and then you got the veggies and shit. Last time I had it, it was 8 out of 10 because it tasted like a Greek salad. Shout out Subway. This is delicious, dude. You can't worry about how, they put 4 of each meats and you might think it ain't worth $3.99. Yet it's only $3.99 and it's really good. It's basically, a little wrap, little kind of burrito of a Subway sandwich. Look at that shit though. $3.99? It's 8 out of 10 all day. Hell yeah, Subway. That's really good shit.